In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Zoom. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for my video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Zoom installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Zoom download page. And here I will be downloading Zoom desktop client for meetings, 64-bit MSI installer. I will click on the link and the download should start for me. Then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my installation file, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that, I will open File Explorer. And here I will go to my file server, so I will enter SRV02. Then I will go inside of the software share, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Zoom, I will go inside of it, and I will place the installation file inside of this folder. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on Packages, select New Package. For the package name I will enter Zoom. Then I will click on Steps, Install. Here I need to provide my installation file, so I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server, SRV02, software share, Zoom folder, and I will select the installation file that I have here. And that's it for the file. Now we need to provide silent switches because we want PDQ Deploy to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values. Go back to PDQ Deploy and insert the values here. And that's it for the package. We can save it and close this window. And now I'll be deploying this package to a few of my clients. So I will select it here. Then I will click on Deploy, Deploy Once, and I will select my computers by clicking on Choose Targets, going to Active Directory and selecting Computers. And I will select Client 01 and Client 02. Then I will click on the button right here. And my targets appeared in this window. Now I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients here. But I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. And here I can see my desktop shortcut to launch Zoom. I will double click on it. And it gives us the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.